Hey guys, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a quick walkthrough video on this brand new 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 230 we just got in. This thing is beautiful. We got it in the charcoal with blue accenting, tan interior. You'll see the LED accenting lights throughout. This thing is super sharp. You get the fiberglass front up here, which we don't see very often on a pontoon. Super sporty features. It's got the fender clips that come with it, easy in and out with the fenders, keeps you at the right length. This one has the power arch on it, LED illuminated, set the mood. Also got the canvas piece that'll pop up on top as well. This thing is a head turner. Coming around to the back, you'll notice it's powered by the 300 horsepower V8 Mercury outboard. This thing will get you up and get you going. Something cool that Harris does too, it's got your swim step here on the side. This flips down. Cool spot to hang out. Also awesome for if you have dogs, easy in and out for them, no more dragging them in and out. We'll hop up on the inside, I'll show you the features on the inside. Hopping onto the inside of the boat here, first thing you'll notice is this super spacious lounger in the back. This thing adjusts into a bunch of different positions. You can tip this back, have a rear facing lounger. You can flip this all the way flat and have it convert into a full size bed. Each of these seats will kick up into different positions. Super comfortable. A cool feature on the back too, you'll notice it's got the fender holders built in, stainless steel railings, safety railings. You'll notice the chain going across that keeps you boxed in and safe. And it also makes this rear riding position legal while underway. Stepping up into the cockpit, you'll see dual helm chairs. It's really nice. We got another couple that wants to sit straight forward. You'll see the raised helm. This one comes with dual 7-inch Simrads on it. You don't have to do the split screen, just do one and one. You got all your switches over here, digital throttle control, seating capacity of 12. You'll have your JL audio stereo head here with JL audio speakers throughout. All the speakers illuminate. You can change it to different colors on the dial over here. Super cool. Very luxurious. Over on the passenger side, you got this little console here, some cup holders, stainless steel. You got the wireless charger for your phone there, and a little pocket there to keep miscellaneous items. Over here, we opted for this little kick-up table. You got snacks or drinks, taking a lunch break. It's a great spot to keep stuff. Massive in-store floorage on this one. Largest in the industry. Moving forward, you got flip down armrests on either side. Storage underneath all the seats. It's all water managed. You got USB ports on either side, whether it's USB or USB-C. So yeah, again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman doing a walkthrough video on the brand new 2024 Grand Mariner 230. Hope to see you here. Give us a call or we'll see you in the store. Thanks for watching.